Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Classes. In the last video, we discussed the different types of operating mode present in 8255. In that we study there are two types of operating mode present in 8255. First is the BSR mode that we discussed in the last video. Second type of operating mode present in 8255 is the IO mode. And that IO mode is again divided into three subtypes. First is the mode 0, mode 1 and the last is the mode 2 or we can say mode 3. In the last video we discussed the mode 0 and mode 1. Okay. Now today we will discuss the third subtype present in IO mode of 8255, that is the mode 2 or mode 3. This mode 2 is also called as a bidirectional input-output mode. In this case, only port A is working, okay, and the port B can be either in the mode 0 or mode 1. And the third port, that is the port C, is used for handshaking of the signal. Okay. In this mode, the input outputs are latched. Okay. Now the control word register format for input output mode, okay, is given in the diagram. Okay. So this figure shows the control word register format for input output. Okay. There are 8 bits present in this format. The last bit, that is your MSB D7, is always set to 1 because we are using the input output mode. Okay. Now the function of this all bits we will discuss one by one. Okay. See this. The last bit, that is the D7, your MSB. This bit indicates that you are using the input output mode. Okay. Means if this bit is set to 1, means you are using IO mode. If this bit is set to 0, means you are using BSR mode. Okay. Now next bit D6 and D5. Okay. So these two bits are used to set the port A mode. Okay. 00 for mode 0, 01 for mode 1. Okay. And 10 or 11 for mode 2. Okay. There is a printing mistake in that. 01 for there is mode 1. Okay. Now the next bit, that is the D4. Okay. This bit is set to 1 when the port A is taking the input. Okay. And this bit is set to 0 when the port A is sending output to other device. Okay. Now the next bit is the D3. This bit is set to 1 when the higher nibble of the port C is taking the input. Okay. And this bit is set to 0 when the higher nibble is sending output to other device. Okay. When taking the input, it is set to 1, and when it is sending the output to other device, it is set to 0. Okay. The next bit, that is the D2. This bit tell the mode used by your port B. Okay. In which mode the port B is working. Okay. If it is set to 0, means the port B is using the mode 0. And if it is set to 1, means the port B is using the mode 1. Okay. Next bit, that is the D1. This bit is set to 1 when the port B is taking the input from the other port or other device. Okay. And this bit is set to 0 when the port B is sending output to the other port or other device. Okay. Now the last bit, that is your LSB D0. Okay. So this bit is used for port C, right? This bit set to 1, okay, when the lower nibble of port C is taking the input, and this bit is set to 0 when the lower nibble is sending output to the other device, okay. Means the bit D3 and D0 is used for port C, right, when it is taking the input, but D3 bit is used for higher nibble and the D0 is used for lower nibble, okay. So this is the function of each and every bit present in control word register format of IO mode, okay. The last bit indicate the which mode used by your 8255, whether it is operating in the BSR mode or it is operating in the IO mode, okay. And the remaining bits, remaining 7 bits is used for the port A, port B and port C, okay. In this way we study the two types of operating mode present in 8255, okay. In the next video we will discuss the other processor, okay. So friends, if you like my videos, please like it, share my video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.